Namaste. I welcome you to Bhairavi Parekh's Yogshaala. Let us practice two exercises for arm strength and core strength. Getting into downward dog, and from here, slide your left leg in between your right palm and the right palm and the right leg, and back. Repeat the same with the right side. And back. And left. Keep breathing. And back. Back. Continue to breathe. To the left side. And back. And the last time. And to the right. Stay. And down dog and Shashankasana. Relax. Now the second exercise. Again, I get into the Shashankasana, downward dog, bringing my right foot outside my right palm and lift your right hand up, creating the passage for left leg to travel ahead in the air. Then you slide and stay up in the air and back, downward dog. Left foot outside your left palm. Lift your left hand up. Allow your right leg to travel, which is up in the air, and back. Right. And back. Left. And back. Right. And back. Left. And back. Left. The last one.